Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am excited to share with you the lowest market cap silver stocks. Most of those stocks are undervalued and trading under 10 cents. But before diving deep into stock fishing, hit the subscribe button now to receive timely notification. Also, like and share my videos to help this channel grow. Those of you who are already invested in silver mining sector and feeling depressed, you need to understand why the prices of silver mining stocks are not moving higher. Basically, silver stocks have very high correlation with the silver price. As you can see in this chart, silver was trading in the $25 range last year, April. Then after visiting the bottom in the $18 range in late August, it started upward movement. Once it was above 200-day moving average and hit $24 range, I was anticipating an upward move, but the big boys wanted to keep the silver price suppressed to scoop up cheap silver and silver mining stocks. However, looking at the trading patterns, I am feeling that silver will go back to $24 range soon. The same way Bitcoin jumped from 21k to 24k range last week. We can see this in the Bitcoin chart here, where it was trading in 21k range, and then last week it has moved to $25,000 range, but still consolidating. So I'm expecting same kind of movement in silver prices, but we just have to wait patiently for that. So once silver overcomes $25 resistance, we expect explosive movements in the silver mining sector, and when that happens, even the companies without any good assets benefit from higher silver price. But our goal here is to pick the stocks with great growth potential. If the company has great flagship projects and it's actively involved in the exploration, its time will come sooner than the bad ones. So it's a great time to load up if you have extra cash available. Just my 2 cents, not a piece of financial advice at all. So I will start with the silver mining stocks that I shared last year on this channel. Those stocks were trading under 10 cents. You can find the link of my video in the description below. If you are invested in one of those stocks or other silver stocks, we can see that the price of those stocks and generally the whole silver mining sectors, has been staying lower. So especially low market cap stocks have gone a bit lower, but I'm still holding my stocks tightly because I believe that once silver starts its upward parabolic move, all these stocks are going to skyrocket. Yes, there is a chance that the price may go further down, but it seems less likely. So from my point of view, all the undervalued silver mining companies with good projects, a great management team and great resources offer excellent investment opportunities. So we will review the stocks that I mentioned, and actually there are many more that I will share later on that I have been trading this year in December and January. Okay, so February has been a bit down and I decided to trade. Basically I'm a long-term investor, but I just wanted to take some benefit from the cash I had at hand for swing trading. So I did some trading in January. I didn't touch the stocks that are my long positions, and those are in my investment portfolio, but I have traded a bit during the last 2 months. So anyway, we will just talk about the stocks that we have discussed before, and then we will continue from there, and I'll introduce you with more stocks and talk about more companies later on. But let's start with the lowest market cap stocks that are in my list. So the first one that I have in my list is Orex Minerals.
Orex Minerals is listed at TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol REX and ORMNF at OTC Markets. The stock of Orex Minerals at the close of February 23 was trading at 3 cents and has the market cap of $6.56 million. 3-year high price of Orex was 30.5 cents. During 2016 bull market it reached the peak price of $1.38, and during 2008 to 2011 bull market the stock traded above $2. Orex Minerals has a strong portfolio of assets in Mexico and Canada which are operated either independently or with major joint venture partners. The Sandra Silver Gold Project, a joint venture between Pan American Silver Corporation, 60%, and Orex Minerals, 40%, is located in the heart of the Mexican silver trend in northwestern Durango State, Mexico. This prolific trend hosts some of the world's largest silver camps and deposits, including Fresnillo, Guanajuato, La Pitarrilla, La Preciosa, Real de Angeles, and Zacatecas. Orex Minerals completed the Phase 1 reconnaissance exploration drilling program in October 2022. Phase 1 consisted of 2,665.30 meters in 8 diamond drill holes. The Cañito Silver Gold Project, a joint venture with Fresnillo, is adjacent to the village of Cañito de Comonfort, centrally positioned within the Mexican Silver Trend, approximate 100 kilometers north of the city of Durango, Mexico. Its Jumping Josephine Gold Project is located 30 kilometers west of Castlegar and 30 kilometers north of the mining district of Rossland, in the West Kootenay region of British Columbia, Canada. Mr. Eric Sprott beneficially owns and controls 37 million shares of Orex, representing approximately 19.6% of the outstanding shares on a non-diluted basis. The securities are held for investment purposes. Mr. Sprott has a long-term view of the investment. Bayhorse Silver is listed at TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol BHS and BHSIF at OTC markets. The stock closed at 3 cents on February 23 with the market cap of $10 million. It reached the peak price of 26 cents in May 2021. Bayhorse Silver Inc. is an exploration and production company with a 100% interest in the Bayhorse Silver Mine property located in Baker County, Oregon, USA. The company also holds an option agreement to acquire an 80% interest in the Brandywine project located in British Columbia, Canada. According to Bayhorse Silver News release in June 2022, the drill hole intersected 2.75 meters, 9 feet, of strong silver mineralization, of which 0.92 meters, 3 feet, graded 1,771.58 grams per ton Ag, 51.75 ounces per ton. With state-of-the-art Steinert ore sorting technology reducing waste rock entering the processing stream by up to 85%. The company has created a minimum environmental impact facility capable of mining 200 tons of mineralization per day, and the ability to process and supply 3,600 tons per year of silver-copper concentrate ranging between 7,500 to 15,000 grams per ton at its milling facility in nearby Payette County, Idaho, USA, with an offtake agreement in place with Ocean Partners UK Limited. Bayhorse Silver Inc. has been mining silver at their Bayhorse Silver Mine from an inferred Ni 43-101 resource of 292,000 short tons at an average grade of 21.65 troy ounces per ton silver for total contained silver of 6.33 million ounces. The mineralized material contains significant amounts of copper and zinc. Klondike Silver Corporation is listed at TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol KS. The company last traded at 4 cents and has the market cap of $10.5 million. It reached the peak price of 33.5 cents in January 2021. The company primarily owns a 100% interest in the Slocan Silver Camp that covers an area of approximately 116 square kilometers located in southeastern British Columbia. Slocan Silver Camp includes the past-producing Silvana, Wonderful and Hinkley mines, together with other past-producing mines and exploration properties. 68 of 173 past-producing mines are located on Klondike Silver's Slocan land package. These 68 mines process 2.1 million tons of ore, including silver 40.4 million ounces, lead 349 million pounds, and zinc 159 million pounds. The Silvana mine was the largest of the 68 historical producers in the Klondike Silver land package. Over 500,000 tons of rock were processed, yielding 7.8 million ounce silver, 63.3 million pounds lead, and 58 million pounds zinc. The average Silvana production grade was 13.87 ounces per ton silver, 5.62% lead, and 5.15% zinc. The 2022 drill program is underway, as per their new release on October 26, 2022. The company is exploring from underground, the western extension of the Silvana mine, along the main lode. The main lode is a 9 km vein structure, which is the most prolific mineralized structure in the Slocan mining camp. Klondike Silver has completed construction of drill station number 2. Klondike has commenced drilling hole number 1, and has successfully intersected the main lode. Decade Resources is listed at TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol DEC. The stock of company closed at 9 cents with the market cap of $5.86 million and has a potential to reach its 3-year high of 67.5 cents when silver starts trading above $25. The company holds a 65% interest in the Red Cliff property in north of Stewart, British Columbia, a 100% interest in the Goat property that consists of 8 claims totaling 1,210.40 hectares located in British Columbia, and an option to earn a 100% interest in the Terrace property covering 48 contiguous mineral claims situated in British Columbia. It also holds an option agreement to acquire up to 75% interest in the Del Norte property comprising 5,830.16 hectares in 13 separate claims located in East British Columbia, and a 100% interest in the Grassy property that contains approximately 830.20 hectares in 2 separate claims situated in north of Stewart, British Columbia. In addition, the company holds interests in the Premier East property, which includes approximately 600 hectares in 7 separate claims located in British Columbia, and an option agreement to acquire up to 75% interest in the Lord Nelson property comprising of 2,630 hectares in 6 separate claims situated in British Columbia. In 2021, drilling at Del Norte indicated 3,680 grams per ton silver equivalent over 3.05 meters, and 37.50 grams per ton gold equivalent over 7.01 meters. Honey Badger silver that I mentioned in my earlier video is trading above 10 cents. The company, at the time of recording this video, traded at 16.5 cents, which is 3 cents pre-consolidation at 5.7 to 1 share ratio. The shares were consolidated on January 20, 2023. Its market cap is $5.14 million. The company's flagship project is the Thunder Bay polymetallic silver project covering an area of 16,800 hectares located in Ontario. It also holds a 100% interest in the Clear Lake deposit that comprises 121 contiguous claims covering an area of approximately 2,500 hectares located in the Whitehorse mining district of the Yukon. In addition, the company holds interest in the Plata, Groundhog, and High Silver projects in southeast and south-central Yukon, Canada, and claims located in the James Bay region of Quebec. The company's 2021 field program at its 100% owned, 5,690-hectare Plata silver property produced assay results up to 16,887 grams per ton silver, 67.99% lead, and 0.83% zinc through channel, chip and rock sample analyses. The silver mining stock I am going to share today is Rio Silver. Rio Silver is a Canadian junior mining company focused on advanced stage precious metal projects in Peru. It's listed at TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol RYO and RYOOF at OTC markets. Rio Silver at the close of February 23 was trading at 3.5 cents and has a very low market cap of $2.6 million. This stock has been on my watch list for a long time, and after checking their recent corporate presentation and latest interviews, I feel that Rio Silver is a great investment opportunity in anticipation of an increasingly more favorable precious metal bull market. During the 2008 to 2011 bull market, the stock price of Rio Silver reached $1.65. Chris Verico, president and CEO of Rio Silver, in a recent interview said that payday is coming soon, as the diamond drills are set to start turning at their 100% owned flagship Niñobamba silver-gold project in Peru. Chris also provided an update on an upcoming 4101 for Niñobamba and continuing work at the Palta Dorada joint venture property with Peruvian Metals. Niñobamba project hosts 2 discrete precious metal deposits at opposite ends of an 8 km prospective corridor in a prolific precious metals hosting geological belt in central Peru. The company has modeled 2 world-class resource targets where previously the company, Newmont Mining, and others have spent upwards of $10 million evaluating this mineralized trend. The silver-rich Niñobamba, main zone and south zones, are drill-ready, and the company's geologists have targeted the near-surface, silver and gold mineralization as a potential open pit. At the other end of this trend is the Jorimina gold zone that was the primary focus of the Newmont exploration. All these stocks basically are under 10 cents and have low market cap, They all offer great investment opportunity because most of them are junior explorers and involved in exploration activities and have strong growth potential. However, you must remember two important things before making your investing or trading decisions. First point is that all the junior silver mining stocks are very risky. In fact, the whole stock market is risky these days because of the heightened global economic uncertainty caused by tense geopolitical events, the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, the Russia-Ukraine war, increasing oil and gas prices and rising inflation. It's therefore highly recommended to do your due diligence before investing in any of the stocks in any sector. That's the important point. The second thing is to diversify your portfolio, so instead of investing all your money in one stock, it's better to spread your money across multiple stocks and multiple sectors too.